Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm so happy that you guys clicked on the video. My name is India and I have been doing a series on my channel. I am decluttering all of my natural hair products. Today's video, okay, I know y'all seen the title. Today's declutter is going to be deep conditioners. Now y'all know how I feel about my deep conditioner, so this one might be a little tough for your girl. I might not be able to declutter as much as I should, because my deep conditioners, they hold a place in my heart that I cannot let go of. Y'all know how I feel about them. Okay, so I didn't show you guys, so we got the full all filled up to the top here, full of deep conditioners. So I don't know, y'all. I don't know how many of these I'm gonna be able to let go, but let's start and let's try and see what we can get done, okay? Well, first up is my Brogio Don't Despair Repair Deep Conditioning Mask. If you know, you know. I already have a whole video out on this, and this is not going anywhere, okay? First of all, it's too expensive for me to be just giving away, and second of all, I absolutely love it, and it's one of my favorite deep conditioners of all times. If you want more information on this, I'll leave my review video in a card or in the description box for you to check out, but this is definitely staying. All right, next up I have Taraji's Mask On Moisturizing Conditioning Mask. Y'all know what I've been saying throughout these videos. The real bad thing about this is the way that they smell, but I've heard people say that the products actually work. So I don't know, y'all. I'm gonna try to give them a try. I might do a whole video using these products. I'm gonna try to give it a try and see if I can work through the smell, but I'm gonna keep this one. Next up is my Curls Professionals Cashmere and Caviar Hair Mask. Y'all, this is one of my favorite hair masks from the Curls line. This leaves your hair so soft, so smooth, so moisturized, and especially if you're looking for a deep conditioner that has a protein, this is a great one. Like, this is one that I pick up very often and I've actually repurchased, so this is a good one. Definitely keeping it. Next we have this Moisture Boost by Palmer's coconut oil formula. It's the Moisture Boost deep conditioner, and this is what it looks like. I don't think I've tried this one yet. Have I? Oh, I lied. I have tried it. So I still got some in there. I don't know if y'all can see, but I have actually tried it. I don't remember it, but I do know that I like the Palmer's conditioners. I think I did. Y'all, I try so many products sometimes I forget, okay? But this one is definitely a keeper. If I'm not mistaken, I believe I used this in a video and I loved it. So I'm going to keep this one. Okay, next we have the Talib YG Green Apple and Aloe Apple Cider Deep Conditioner. Y'all, this one disappointed me, because if you know, I love the green apple and aloe line. Like, I love the leave-in, I love the shampoo, I love almost the whole line except for the deep conditioner. And I was waiting so bad to get this deep conditioner, and when I got it, it was just like, it really didn't do it for me. So this one I'll be giving away. Next I have the Kimra Nourishing Mask. It's a deep conditioning treatment. Y'all, I got this in a curl box, I think. Yes, I got this in a curl box, and surprised me, okay? I used this deep conditioner before I straightened my hair, not this time, but a time before, and y'all, I was shocked. Like, this stuff right here, somebody is sleeping on it. Like, the texture is good, it smells good. Like, I've heard nobody talking about this Kimra Nourishing Mask, but this deep conditioner is excellent. Like, I would definitely repurchase this. I may have to do, if y'all interested, I may have to do like a separate video on this, because like I said, I've never heard anybody talking about it, but this deep conditioner was so good. I loved it. So this is a keeper. Next I have the Main Choice H2O Hydration Therapy Deep Conditioning Mask, and this is what that looks like. I actually enjoyed this deep conditioner. I liked it a lot, but I also don't see myself picking it up since the last time I used it. I have a whole video using this as well. I'll link the video for you guys, but I'm probably going to give this one away just because I just don't pick it up. Next I have Camille Rose Lavender Quench Deep Conditioner. This is just another one. It's not a bad deep conditioner. It's just I don't pick it up. I have other deep conditioners that I like more. And so I just don't gravitate to this. And y'all, I'm actually funny about lavender smells. Y'all know I love purple. Purple is my favorite color, but I don't know, some lavender smells I don't like, and that's probably why I don't pick this up. But the conditioner itself is really good. I just don't gravitate to this one, so I'm going to actually give this one away. All right, next is the Palmer's Natural Fusion Chia Seed and Argan Oil Hair Mask. I've used this a few times actually. If y'all can see, it was just okay. It wasn't anything to wow me, and I really do like the Palmer's hair products, but this one I didn't really like all that much, so this one I'm gonna give away. Next, I have the Dr. Miracle Strong and Healthy Rice Protein and Babasu Oil Hydrating and Strengthening Deep Conditioner. If you guys watch my shampoo Declutter, then you already know I love that shampoo, but I like this whole line in general by Dr. Miracles. It's really good. I absolutely love the deep conditioner, and y'all, this bottle is empty. I don't even know why I still have this in here, because like, what you gonna do, girl? What you gonna do? Scoop that and put it where? So this is actually going in the trash, but I will definitely be repurchasing this because I loved it, and I love this, and I will pick it up all the time. So yeah, this is definitely a repurchase. Next, we have the Palmer's Cocoa Butter Length Retention Deep Conditioner. I have the regular conditioner like this. This is just the deep conditioner, and if you guys know, I really do enjoy the Palmer's line, especially the length retention one, so I will definitely be keeping this deep conditioner. Next, I have this ORS hair repair. It's like a detox mask, and have I used this? I think I have. No. And I've actually never used this before. I think I tried to use the shampoo or something. It was something in this line that I didn't like, so I never gravitated to the mask. What I can tell you is super minty. Like, if you don't like, it's super minty. I've never used it, so all of it is still in here. If you don't like a minty smell or that minty on your scalp, then you're probably not gonna like this. But like I said, it's some reason why I didn't gravitate to this, so I'm gonna put this in the giveaway. So next, I have the Eden's Body Works Strengthening Deep Conditioner. This is the jojoba and manoi line that they have. I actually love Eden's Body Works. It's one of the first brands that I actually start using often when I got into my natural hair. I'm actually going to keep this one because I haven't tried this one. I tried the other one. Y'all see that in a minute, but I haven't actually tried this one out, but I want to keep it. Next, I have a TGIN Miracle Repair X CPR treatment. So this one is not an actual deep conditioners, but I keep my treatments in here too that I use like deep conditioners. So again, this is not a deep conditioner, this is actually a treatment, but I love it. So if you guys haven't had the chance to try the TGIN Miracle Repair X line, I would suggest that you give it a try because it's really good. So I'm gonna keep this. All right, next we have the Aunt Jackie's Curls and Coils Great Seed Style and Shine Rescue. This has the avocado in it and all that good stuff. Y'all, this grapeseed oil line by Aunt Jackie's is really good. I have enjoyed most of the products in it, so I'm probably going to keep this deep conditioner. All right, we have Aussie 3-Minute Miracle Curls. This is a regular deep conditioner. I don't use this. I don't gravitate to it. I have way other deep conditioners that I actually love, so this will be given away as well. Next, I have the Ouidad Sunday Feels Twist Deep Hydrating Hair Mask. Y'all, I was so excited when I got this. I think this came in a curl box. Just trying to get it in focus, but I wasn't the smell is okay. This is what it looks like if y'all can see it inside the bottle. I just I feel some type of way about it. Like, it didn't wow me like I thought it was. I was like, oh, okay, Ouidad, you know what I mean? Pretty expensive line. They usually have good products, but I don't know, y'all. I think I'm gonna actually give this away because it didn't wow me. Next, I have this Africa's Best Coconut Cream Restorative Conditioner. I've actually never tried this before, so I'll probably give this one away because I don't gravitate to it. So yeah, this one's gonna go into the giveaway. Next, I have the TGIN Miracle Repair Deep Hydrating Hair Mask. So this is the actual hair mask. The one I showed you earlier was the treatment. This one is the hair mask. So again, if you guys have not tried the TGIN Miracle Repair X line, I would definitely suggest that you try it. I would definitely suggest that you try it because this whole line is pretty awesome. Alright, next I have the Obia Naturals Babassu Deep Conditioner. Y'all, this deep conditioner is so good. Like, this is one of the best deep conditioners I've ever tried. Like, and I was so shocked because I didn't know how my hair was going to react to it, of course, the first time I used it. But y'all, this deep conditioner is bomb.com. I don't know if you guys know about Obia Naturals. Excuse me. I don't know if you guys know about Obia Naturals, but this deep conditioner, this Babassu deep conditioner, you need it. You need this in your life. I promise you. Just order it, use it, and thank me later. Okay? That's all I'm gonna say. It's going in the keep pile. Okay? It's not going nowhere. Next, I have the Shea Moisture, the hemp seed oil high porosity moisture seal mask, and it has a whole bunch of stuff in it: protein, apple cider vinegar, all the good stuff. Y'all, I don't reach for this. I don't really use it, so it's gonna go in the giveaway pile. All right, so I do have a Miss Jessie Super Sweet Back Treatment. It says it's the best darn treatment, period. And that's what this looks like here. And y'all, to be honest, I've been keeping this only because I like the way it smells. I really don't use it on my hair. I've used it like once, if y'all can see that. I've used it once, but I don't use this. I'm actually going to throw this away because it's super old. So this one is going in the trash. Next, we have the Sea Moss collection. This is by Curls, and it is the 92 vitamins and minerals conditioner. And this is what it looks like. It is the strengthening moisture mask. And I got this in my curl box, but I have not tried it yet. I've heard good things, so I'm definitely going to keep this and try it out. Next, we have Afro G Curlific. If you guys have been watching the series with me decluttering, you heard me talk about the Afro G Curlific line. I absolutely, positively love this line. If you are a curly girl, I would suggest that you try this out because it is amazing. Now, this is not a deep conditioner. This is another treatment. This is a treatment for your curls. So like when I wash my hair and I'm trying to go back curly, I'll use this treatment and it will give and bring my curls back to life, okay? So again, this is not a deep conditioner, but I keep my treatments in here with my deep conditioner because you apply it like a deep conditioner. And yeah, I love this stuff. So if you are having issues with heat damage or your curls are just not popping like how you want them to, definitely I would suggest you try this Curlific treatment. And it will get your curls back popping, like after the first use, I promise. So this is definitely a keeper. Next, I have this Aveda. This is the conditioner. This is the deep moisture. So I showed you guys in my conditioning video that I had the light one. So this is the big one, and this is the deep moisture. So the one that I like is the deep moisture one. They also have a light moisture one, but y'all know, like, why would I pick the light moisture when I can get the deep moisture? I need the deep moisture. I don't know about you, but I need all the moisture. Okay, so I actually love this, and I am going to definitely keep it. Okay, so I have another length retention deep conditioner by Palmer's. I guess I'm in love with this deep conditioner because I have two of them. So there's that. It's gonna get kept. Next, I have the Cantu Guava and Ginger Protein Mask. Again, I did do a video on this whole line, and I absolutely love this deep conditioner, so I'm going to keep it. If you are interested in a review, I will link the review for you in a card and in the description box. Next, I have this conditioner. I don't even know if this is a deep conditioner, y'all. It says water activated advanced. Yeah, I don't even know why this is in here, but this should have been in the regular conditioners because this is not a deep conditioner. So I don't know. I put this in here by mistake, but I've never heard of this brand. I have not tried it, so I'm going to give this away. All right, so I have the Luster's Pink Super Hydrate and Shine Mask with avocado oil, mango butter, and shea butter. And this says Intense Conditioning Treatment. I think I've used this one. Let me look. One of them I used because I have 2 of them. Yes, I've used this one. It's okay. It's not the best, but it's okay for times that I need it. So I'm going to keep this one. This is the other one. This is the Repair and Strengthening Mask. Is it the same thing? No, this one is Super Hydrate Shine Mask. This one is Repair Strengthening Mask. So this one probably has protein in it. Whenever you see something that says repair or strengthening, it 9 times out of 10, if you look in the ingredients, it has protein. So that's why I'm going to keep this one. This one has protein, and I think this one doesn't. So I think that's the difference. So I'm going to keep this one as well. Next, we have the Cream of Nature Aloe and Black Castor Oil. This is the Healthy and Long Fortifying Hair Mask. I actually really do love this stuff. I have the matching shampoo to go with this, so we're going to keep this one. All right, so next I have another TGIN Miracle Repair Strengthening Conditioner. Again, y'all, this is with my deep conditioners because I use it as a deep conditioner. It's not a deep conditioner, it's just a regular conditioner, but I use it as a deep conditioner. So I'm going to keep this one because I love it. Y'all don't believe me. Don't sleep on TGIN, y'all. That Repair X line is excellent. So I have a Shea Moisture's African Black Soap Purification Mask. It's for dry and itchy scalp. I don't ever pick this up and I don't know why, but yeah, I'm going to put this in the giveaway. Next up, I have this Strengthening Restorative Mask by the one and only Argan Oil. I actually really love this stuff. It gets your hair really soft and hydrated, and so this one is going to be a keeper. And y'all, so the only thing that's left inside of the box are these packets. So I have a bunch of like sample packets of conditioner, and the only thing about these packets is one packet is not enough for my hair. So like, this is not enough conditioner for my hair. Or maybe it is and I just overuse my conditioners. I don't know. But one I don't think is enough. And they're all like different. So, oh, and this one is a protein treatment. But I'm going to keep the protein treatment for myself. But we have a Head and Shoulders Deep Moisture Mask. I have a Palmer's Coconut Oil Deep Conditioning Protein Pack. I also have a Palmer's Moisture Boost Protein Pack and a Shine Therapy Deep Conditioning Pack from Palmer's as well. So y'all, we did it. We did it again. I emptied another box. Woo! I'm so proud. Y'all have no idea. I'm so proud. So time for me to do my count. Okay, y'all, so I had 35 deep conditioners and I am letting go of 11 of them. So listen, that don't sound like a lot, but that was hard, y'all. I had to let go of something. So I'm getting rid of 11. And that's it, y'all. We made it through another declutter video. I hope you guys are enjoying. Don't forget to give your girls a thumbs up, subscribe, and I will talk to y'all in the next video. Bye.